Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. This is a quick walk and talk channel update here, guys, from the Celebration Trail System, Celebration, Florida. Come on in, check it out. Hey guys, just wanted to give you guys a quick Medling World update, channel update, just a little walk and talk here on the Celebration Trail System today. I want to ask everybody, please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. Especially if you've been watching for a while, maybe you just haven't hit the subscribe button. That really helps us a lot if you subscribe or a thumbs up and comments on the videos. It helps us in the analytics of YouTube, helps push out our channel to even more people and helps us grow. So we appreciate everybody who has subscribed. Just want to give a little update. We've been a little bit quiet this week on our channel. Of course, we've got back from Brazil, back to our regular, as I like to say, our regular jobs that we do each day. Of course, I'm employed at Publix, Roberta at Universal, so we've been quite busy this week. Roberta wasn't feeling well. She's getting better. So we appreciate everybody checking in on her. She just had gotten sick when we got back from Brazil. Jake now is back to his regular self. I'm feeling good. I got a little bit of a cold, I think I got from Roberta, but nothing, nothing that's kind of making me miss any work or anything like that. So we're all on the recovery. I think Brazil kind of wore us out a little bit. But we're a little quiet this week, but we have some exciting things coming up. And I'd like to share with you some of what's going to be happening. So we'll be doing a couple different things that we haven't done in a while, coming up actually this weekend. So Friday night, which is the recording of this video, is Thursday, November 6th. Tomorrow, which is Friday the 7th, we're going to be heading to SeaWorld for their Christmas celebration. Haven't been to SeaWorld in a while, and if you watch the channel, I'm not crazy about SeaWorld. I usually always have some kind of issues or problems when I go to SeaWorld, but I do enjoy, for the record, which I have stated many times, I do enjoy their special events, their holiday events, things like that are usually pretty good. So we're going to share that. We're going to go there. We're going to show you guys what's going on with SeaWorld. And then we're doing something brand new to the area on Saturday at Aquatica at night. So like a lantern festival, I think is what it is. It's supposed to be different areas of the park that are all illuminated with different scenes and lights and things like that. Also like some food sampling there. So we're going to be showing you that. That'll be Saturday from Aquatica right in Orlando. Sorry guys, just wanted to turn around. I was going to walk down the street up there. The World Drive's right over there. But there's so many cars right now. It's like 5:15, 5:30. It's going to be dark here in a few minutes. But it's just so loud out there. There's so many cars coming by. I figured I'd just walk back down the trail. So those things are coming up. And yes, I know I am critical of Disney. For the record, I've been critical of not so much Disney, but the pricing of Disney. Ooh, something big just jumped. Hang on. I don't know what it was. But something big there just jumped in the water. Not quite sure. But anyway, this is where I'm walking. I was looking for gators and stuff. Man, there's a big splash right there. Oh, another one. Wow. That had to have been something like jumped up after the bird. A little nature brought to you by Medling World today. A little bit of nature documentaries here, man. Very interesting. As I was saying about Disney, Disney has raised their prices once again on all the annual passes. Matter of fact, to be honest, our annual passes ran out. But I still have a couple tickets I had remaining from a long time ago. Complimentary tickets I still have in my account. I am going to use those tickets. And I am pretty certain at some point I'm going to renew my annual pass because we do enjoy Disney as guests. We like to go to the parks, but it just seems like, man, they're always just raising everything. But there are some new things going on at Disney that I do want to share on our channel because, of course, with the vlogging and with the channel, I do like to show Disney. And this time of the year is Christmas, so I like to get back to Disney within the next week or so and maybe show you some of the lights, some different things going on there. So I will be going back to Disney. I'll probably be solo, but I will be doing some Disney vlogs coming up for the people that do enjoy Disney. And as I said, you know, not sure if I may not even go all the way as to getting a annual pass. Maybe I'll utilize some of the Florida resident tickets. They have different deals with those. But we're still committed to Disney. I mean, through the perspective of the channel, for sure, because I do like to show Disney. People enjoy watching Disney. And again, I want to let you know, I like to go to Disney as a guest. I enjoy the parks. They're magical. They're much different than Universal, right? Different whole kind of energies. It's just that the passes keep going up and up and up. And it gets to a point where you're like, wow, man, it is a lot of money to be going to Disney. So we'll see what happens with our passes. But, as I said, there's other options. I still have a couple complimentary tickets that I can use. And Florida resident options. So there are other ways to go to Disney without the annual pass. We'll see. But anyway, I just wanted to touch base on that Disney will be coming back up. I definitely want to get to the Magic Kingdom, show you guys the lights, you know, the decorations. I want to hopefully get to all the parks and show decorations. I know the new Zootopia is out. A couple other things that maybe I've been missing out on Disney a little bit. And bring it to you. And with that being said, maybe give me some comments what you guys think about Disney. Is it something that you enjoy on Medling World? Do you enjoy the Disney vlogs? Because I'll be honest, Disney, when it comes to vlogging, and you know, we're a small channel. If you ask me, you know, 13,000 subscribers, right? In comparison to some of the big, huge channels that have hundreds of thousands, we're a small channel, but we grow our channel in a different way. We grow it really from, I like to say, grassroots. We don't try to do, like, push out videos by paying for extra views. We don't try to make a ton of little shorts. They're called shorts on YouTube, where you can gain subs quickly by just putting out shorts. We're committed to long-form content creation on YouTube. Our videos are made to watch on your TV, really, is what they're made about. But I'd like to know some opinions of the people that enjoy watching our channel. Do you enjoy Disney vlogs from Medling World? Do you enjoy when I go to the parks and show you different things that are going on at Disney World? I keep it real, as you know. We all do on Medling World. And again, I like Disney. I do like to vlog to Disney, but I'm curious of some of our subscribers, of people that watch it. Roberta made a good point today. She said, I wonder what would have happened if we started our channel and all we ever did was just Disney all the time. No Universal, no cruising, just pure Disney. Just every day we would do a Disney video. Would there be a certain amount of people that would want to watch that every day? We're not going to do that, because that's not what our channel's about, but it makes you wonder, would our channel have grown faster? Would it never grown? That's kind of an interesting question, right? But we like to do variety. That's what Medling World's about. Medling World's for everybody. Doesn't matter how old you are or how young you are. We do celebration. We do pins, right? We do retail. We do pizza. We do Universal. We do SeaWorld. We do cruising. We do international travel. That's what our channel is all about. But why not ask you guys, what do you think of Disney? Like, is it really that? Is it something that's really high on your priority list when it comes to Medling World? Or do you enjoy a little bit of Disney, a little bit of Universal, the cruising? I know the cruising people really enjoy. There'll be more cruising coming. But right now, it is holiday time. So we will be doing some of the holiday things around. We'll be doing a celebration holiday with the downtown area. We'll be showing a lot of that. The lights around town, we'll be doing some of that stuff right here in Celebration. So, lots of different things going on the channel. Like I said, this is just a quick, I'm going to turn back around, head back. It's a little bit of an update. So, lots of Christmassy stuff coming up. Some more, again, Disney, the SeaWorld, Aquatica, and of course, we've really been concentrating a lot on Universal. We enjoy Universal. Right now, it's something that we really like. What's really good about it is when it comes to our channel, everybody, me, Roberta, and Jake, we all love to go there. So it's much easier to make content there because everybody's like, yeah, let's go. Little ramble at the end of this vlog, guys, but I keep it real. It's the way our channel is. And it was more of just letting you kind of know we were a little bit quiet this week. We didn't pump out a video every single day. We did a few different things this week. But we're still here. We're back up and running. We got all of our regular stuff coming up. And let me know. What do you think of Disney? How high is that on our priority list? So guys, please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. And last but not least, see ya!